I think that what a lot of people don't expect with a hurricane, how loud it is.
How loud? Yeah.
Very loud.
Very, very loud. You know, it vibrates the ground enough that, you know, we saw with Irma out in Guadalupe that it actually triggered the Richter scales, the seismographs, and it was picked up as almost a minor earthquake, even though it wasn't actually causing an earthquake.
Sure.
But very interesting stuff. We have Maria, which is our second category. It was a Category 5. It was downgraded to a Category 4. It has made landfall in southeastern Puerto Rico, right near Yabucoa Bay. And it's not looking good there, guys. A lot of the reporting stations have been knocked offline, and we're not even getting reports anymore. The island of Vieques there, you see it reporting calm winds right now. Certainly not the case. It reported a wind gust of nearly 105 miles per hour before it went calm, and that Yabucoa Bay there showed a wind gust of 105 just as it made landfall there on the southeastern coastline. There's Doppler radar. In fact, this is the last few images that came in because the actual radar site was knocked offline as well, located, you know, just to the west of where the eye made landfall. So we're going to watch this closely. But in the last few images that we did get in before it went out, notice that eye wall moving onshore near Yabucoa. And that eye wall, unfortunately, is very, very strong. We're seeing winds there sustained of 155 miles per hour, especially in that northeastern quadrant that you'll always find the strongest winds. Category 4 storm moves over Puerto Rico and then reemerges later today and overnight, back over the open waters. And then from there on out, takes a northwards turn, and then things get uncertain here. It does weaken a little bit. That's some good news as it moves into slightly cooler ocean waters. But the interaction between Jose, which is now a tropical storm that'll linger off the eastern seaboard, may influence this track here. Here's how the computer models are seeing things. Each line is a different computer model. Pretty good consensus here of keeping the main circulation, the storm center, off coastline. But it's not far enough off the coast that it wouldn't influence part of our coastal area. So we're going to have to watch that very closely. And there is Jose, right now downgraded to a tropical storm. But even though it's moved out of our area, still going to be feeling its effects in terms of those rough surfs, rip current risks, as well as some tidal flooding, at least for this morning's high tide, and even into this afternoon and evenings as well. So keep that in mind. Red flags flying all throughout the coastline there. 73 out the door right now. Notice skies are clearing out. It's going to be a nice day today, and it will get warmer. In fact, we're going to top out in the upper 80s in a lot of spots. I wouldn't even be surprised if some areas hit that 90. West winds today, thanks to high pressure to our south and west. That's going to eat away at the clouds and eventually warm things up as well as we go through the afternoon. Maybe some lingering clouds right along the immediate coastline, but even those won't last the entire day. The afternoon should be mostly sunny. Clear skies again tonight, and the next several days looking real nice here. 87 today, increasing sunshine, unseasonably warm, running about 10 degrees above average. 69 tonight, clear skies, a little bit muggy. And looking ahead to the upcoming weekend, 82 both Saturday and Sunday, partly cloudy, should be nice for any outdoor events. And then by early next week, we're going to watch closely between that interaction with Maria and Jose.